Hello everybody, Evidence here. Have you guys seen G-Man's latest contribution to the great debate? A video called "The Internet is the place where atheism comes to die." Such a sad and pathetic video from a lonesome child on a couch. The exact opposite of what G-Man said in the video is the truth. He has no idea what he is talking about. He stole a line used by Aaron Ron Thunderfoot for years that goes, "The internet is the place where religion comes to die," and changed the word religion with atheism. Every single claim from creationists around the world has been debunked because of the information the internet can give you, if you know where to search. You want to know about biological evolution? No problem. Read the scientific papers available online. You want to know the real age of the Earth and the universe? No problem. Read the scientific papers available online. You want to know about the pseudoscience of intelligent design? No problem. It's available online. You want to know why the cosmological argument is fallacious, why the fine-tuning argument is incorrect, or why the precept argument is a joke? No problem, it's available online. What you cannot find online is someone claiming that it is stupid to not believe in things without good evidence and be taken seriously. That is the atheist position. G-Man knows he belongs to an ever-receding club of brainwashed ignoramus whose only purpose online is to be laughed at. He knows that 90% of his subscribers are atheists, and a good portion of the remaining 10% join us in the laughter because G-Man is so out there he is embarrassing even to his fellow more moderate Christians. No one watches G-Man's videos because of religious guidance or because of his deep intellect. G-Man is famous for 5 things and 5 things only. His laughable answer to prayers argument, his defense of slavery in the Bible, the chocolate atheist, stealing a safe, and drama. Nothing else.
I think intelligent design should be taught in school. I think creation should be taught in school. And I think evolution should get out of school because there's more evidence for creation, there's more evidence for intelligent design than there is for the theory of evolution.